Most of my computer stuff is old and crap, but this is something new and more up to date. It's the AMD Ryzen 3700X. 8 cores, 16 threads, 4.4 gigs boost, 3.6 base. So this is AMD's latest, as of now, September 2020. Latest architecture. It's two chiplets or two chips under two die under this cover here. It's one full 8-core die with 8 CPUs and I/O die. I paid around more than actually 300 euros, which is shit deal actually. In United States, from those large retailers, I think you can get these for $270, $280. But what can I do? I had to have it. So I'll cut it open and see what's in the box. In this large box you have another box in which you have what appears to be AMD's stock standard, or maybe not very standard because it's upper mid-range CPU, is the AMD's cooler, which I call Wraith, and I believe it has LEDs around here, LED strip, which you can adjust the color of. And this is a copper base, which something that looks like a pre-applied thermal paste. I'm not sure if I trust it, but I guess I'll trust it for the first time that I install it. Whatever. This is just a 65 watt CPU. Since this is TSMC 7nm, I think manufacturing standard, it doesn't use a lot of power. They rate it at 65 watts, so whatever. I think this cooler is an overkill actually for 65 watts. You also get a sticker and the chip, the pins, the sticker, the cooler, and some wires here. I don't know what the hell are these. Absolutely no idea. Maybe fan headers. Well, whatever. Time will tell what these are. But this is what you get in the box. And yeah, that's all. Thanks for watching.